Factor x to the 6th plus 2x to the 4th minus 16x squared minus 32. Whenever I'm asked to factor something and there's 4 terms there, I'm thinking factor by grouping. You take the first 2 terms, group them in their own set of parentheses. So x to the 6th plus 2x to the 4th. You take the second group of terms and you put those in its own set of parentheses. So negative 16x squared minus 32, always a plus sign in the middle. Okay, always a plus sign in the middle. Now you take a look at the first parentheses and see what you can factor out. It looks like I can factor out an x to the 4th, and that leaves me with x squared plus 2. Here, it looks like I can factor out a negative 16x squared. Nope, negative 16x, just negative 16. I don't know why I put x squared there, sorry. Negative 16. Oh, that's going to make this fun. And then that leaves me with, sorry, multitasking, looking for the colors that I need. I need red. So if I pull out, that's 16, or x squared plus 2 again. All right. So it looks like in common in both of these groups, I have an x squared plus 2, so let's pull that out. Okay, now what I'm left with here is x to the 4th minus 16. Okay, now I'm not done. Because if you're looking at that and thinking difference of squares thoughts, you're absolutely thinking correctly. I'm going to, now let's just do this. Okay, keep it nice and clean. Let's just focus on the x to the 4th minus 16 over here. Okay, x to the 4th minus 16. That looks like it should be difference of squares because it is. So what I have technically is x squared minus 4 squared. That's difference of squares. So what that becomes is x squared minus 4 x squared plus 4. Okay, now looking at this, you should be able to say, well, wait a minute. X squared minus 4 is more difference of squares. That's x plus 2, x minus 2. Can I do anything with that? No. There's no sum of squares. So this guy in purple becomes that guy. So my final answer is going to be x squared plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2, x squared plus 4. And that's something. It's pretty stuff.